Yeah.
Almost 3k.
Right.
Ollie, you're bringing us down, mate. Come on.
Yeah, but it's an illusion, guys, because I'm actually pretty much Grandmasters, so...
Well, you're not 2.6 support, I wouldn't say.
Okay, what do we do?
Reaper Doom, Orisa Sigma, Moira Lucio. I want to play this in OD and yeah. Let's practice it.
Not Sim? No, just asking because of the first point.
We can go with a Sim, but then instead of Doom, I want a Reaper.
But we can do this because, like, it's just Reaper is more useful afterwards. We can try it, Scrim.
Yeah, just I want to practice this a lot because this is what I want to play in OD with you guys.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do something very quickly. I'm gonna make this thing spin.
Where do you usually TP to on the first point?
And to the right. You walk through the following the left wall, and then you TP the right of the point. And then usually that catches them off guard. But like it's so stupid because everyone does it and it still catches people off guard.
I see this is easier.
I'll use speed boost in a bit, I guess.
No need to mess about.
Left side, far mercy.
Yeah.
Main.
Oh, pharmacy.
I have no shield left.
Pulling.
I'm on the right. Set up. Get him, man. May.
May Icicle?
May,
Hit
still
the
May,
wall.
still May,
May
still May.
one. May Z. I have no shield.
Pulling.
No, Sigma. Push through the shield.
Oh, he's got ult already!
Sigma's one.
Power 1.
Still one. Mercy. Moira running back.
Far and I'm main.
First one.
Just 3 of you there. 2 of you now.
No, rest. May's back.
Not dead yet.
He's dead.
Do I swap or do I stay?
Stay.
Now I'm swapping.
I said stay.
Well, I can't do anything.
Oh,
You're not
I'll
listening.
not agree just to feed.
Fuck.
ready to boost? I'm boosting.
Speed through. Orisa. No shield. Kill the bone if you can. Kill the bone. Bone is that. No rest.
You're 2 down, main tank and not support. Should go bottom left,
Yeah,
so we don't take as much chip from Farah or something.
She's gonna have ult again.
You think? Shit.
Yeah, you have a stone, it's fine. I can put my shield in front of her either.
Let's
I
go.
don't have beat to count the signal
Ollie.
as well. We're speeding.
May on the left
Mace
side.
one. Mace one.
Am I dead?
3 dead on our
I'm
side.
I'm on mercy.
It's
Maybe.
3v4 right now. 3v3.
Yeah, Sigma. Sigma's one.
3v2.
Orisa.
Nice guys, good work. They might have a recontest, be careful. There's 3 coming quick. No, they're fine. They're on the same comp. They have males. They have Val. Yeah.
Yeah, Sigma.
Are we beating the male or the Sigil?
Sick.
Yeah. Because May ult, we can still die.
Shall I bongo this?
Yes.
Farah behind.
I'm on the me.
I need some help.
Pulling Orisa.
Where are you?
Orisa no fortify. 1 HP.
Mercy.
Orisa 1.
I'm on Rissa. Moira next, Moira.
Farah 1. Farah 1. Pulling pharmacy.
Mercy one.
May I high ground?
May on the high ground, yep. Pulling.
I'm gonna go far left. See if I can
Should
get
speed
right.
in? Should speed in? Or
Yeah, let's go. Go on May, go May. May no self heal. Get May.
Break shield. Please,
I'm
break
in
shield.
the air.
Pulling.
You still could shot at it.
We must all make sacrifices in the name
Not to worry.
That's good.
Sigil, nice. Coalescent, nearly bongo. What do they have? Nothing right now? No offense, monks. They have bongo maybe?
probably bongo, yeah.
Did they use Falk already?
I haven't noticed about.
They're gonna basically have
I fell that.
far assault again.
I'm dropping
Good
with
job.
Heal me.
dropping with zero. Orisa 1.
Orisa is low.
Orisa half.
Farah's gonna ult soon again.
Farah
Yeah,
1.
she builds ult really quick. Don't worry about that.
Oh, I'm dead.
Phantom, can we next fight pull up and I'm gonna go left. So please distract him in front. Also, everyone else just shoot the shields.
Okie dokie.
I'll pull them together. Phantom pulls them up.
I need heal. I distract him.
Speeding in.
Fire on zero.
She need
watch out.
heals.
Nice, huge pick.
I need heal.
Watch for the mercy resing.
I need heal.
She's stuck.
Okay,
Hold
I'm ready.
him.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Orisa was Swan.
That Farah was fucking farming us, holy shit.
Welcome to
All good.
Blizzard World. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
So I want to do something different. I want the Rissa Sigma, I want Mercy Moira, and I want an Ashe. And let's say Reaper. Reaper or May?
I don't play much Mercy, but I can give it a go.
Just right click me.
Try to get a wall in between them, Bay, and then we push in on them.
Okay.
Science will reveal the truth.
Hello.
Do you need me to repeat myself?
Tempest fruited.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Such a cute emote among mine.
Do you need me to repeat myself?
Yes.
Understood. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm gonna record my Mercy play.
Yes. You would be surprised, but that could be a mistake.
Have a
So.
fire?
Shield low. Shield gone again. Pulling. Nice rock.
Barrel left side.
Power left side, Mercy. I'm playing.
Pushing in, pushing in, pushing in, pushing
Yeah,
in. Ready shield, ready shield, ready shield.
Where did my wall go?
Get him in, get him in.
May.
Me. Better have no shield for you, better have no shield.
There's something wrong with my game.
2
I
seconds
can't
on
use my
my
wall.
I'm dead.
Pulling.
Okay, rest. Sigma's off.
Fire behind, farming me. She's up top above point. Right side
Sigma
now.
one, Sigma.
Fire behind.
We lost it.
Yep.
Ollie, come here. Ollie, I'm behind you.
Perhaps a new methodology is required.
Yeah, we're here.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Watch for barrage from.
I'm stunned. Farah is half.
I don't see it.
Pulling.
I think she's gonna barrage because the way she's positioning
Yeah,
herself.
yeah,
Yeah,
she's
she's getting ready for barrage.
Keep shielding Phil now. I will try to get in back.
Yeah. No shield. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds.
She's low.
L there. Sigma's pushing. West fire.
I'm dead.
Don't let
Sigma.
Raise shield.
Do I ult here?
I must reflect upon
No. Gotta get out of that. Nice. No one is at it.
Waited.
On the May. I'm holding.
We need a push point.
I'm going! X!
Nope. The bongo's down.
Rissa.
Rissa.
Them.
Left shield. There's a wall
Got a
between
wall up,
shield.
James. Watch out. Moira.
Don't see 9. Stay on card. One on card. Fire off.
Decide who's staying on card then.
Support. Always support.
Which one?
Mercy up top. Mercy half behind this line.
I can't hit anything. So.
Fuck. I'm coming high ground.
I can.
Bongo in
Nice
this.
pick. Oh.
Push. We have bongo. Go.
Rest.
Push.
Don't push too far.
Oh my god, James.
Yeah, I know.
I can't see you. Yeah. Oh, but you know.
The fire. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna rest my shield back up.
Okay, coming back.
They're coming around, I think.
Phantom, do I keep ult for you or can I use it?
Use it when you need it.
Do I use Mercy's ult when I need to, or do I wait?
Maybe use it as sort of a big team fight, I don't know.
You can use your ult when we initiate a fight, like in the second now.
Okay.
You are flying bongo, so just keep that in mind.
I'm
Dropping.
You can use missile for like
They have
extra
no
damage.
shields. They have no shields. Arista no fortify. Arista 1. Arista.
Bleed. May. Still May. Mercy next. Push.
Pulling now. Mercy maybe. Mercy 1. She's full now.
Alright, back. Go. Come on, back.
Ah, Mercy's not that bad.
Farah's barrage.
Yeah.
I almost have Bob again.
May's up top, Jolton.
She got no one.
I don't know where the fire is.
May
I
no
drop
wall.
down, May's feeding.
I'm gonna die to this.
She's gonna ult. She's searching for me. For sure.
I'm contesting point.
Oh, that's one. Not anymore.
We have
Just
staggered
die.
spawns. Just
Well,
die,
it's
yeah.
just like I have Bob. We could pull them up, Bob. Or you could also still wait for Reaper. It's building old quick. No, wait for Reaper. I'm gonna combo with bongos.
Okay.
So James, just tell me when you have bongos.
I have bungo.
Push to the shield, push to the shield.
You have bongos?
Yeah, I have
Got
it.
a walled off.
Reaper
Need
behind.
out, need out, need out, need out.
Reaper on tank line. Back. I'm fucked. Reaper's
Yeah,
still
Reaper
on
back line, yeah.
Yeah, go back, go back, go back, go back, 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 back.
I'm almost with my ult phantom. I'm 92.
Yep.
Pulling.
I don't have shield, I don't have shield.
Reaper again.
Reaper,
In my
Reaper,
face.
I vault, I vault, I vault, I vault.
Reaper back line.
Reaper right side. Do we need bongo here? Bongo in this?
Yeah, bongo, bongo.
Their bongo's dead. They have no bongo.
I'm frozen.
We have no bongo. We traded. Reaper, Reaper, Reaper right side.
Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. Don't go for rest that you don't talk to. Me.
Still me, still me.
Rescue. Me no eyes, no eyes.
Reaper in the back, Reaper in the back, Reaper in the back.
He's one.
Reaper's one, Reaper's one, Reaper's one. Reaper's still one, Reaper's still one.
All make sacrifices in the name of Sa.